With over 40 years of experience, Spyderco is a world-renowned manufacturer of high-quality knives for a variety of purposes. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, exploring new territories, or simply need a reliable cutting tool for everyday use, Spyderco knives are the perfect solution. Spyderco knives are made from high-quality materials such as stainless steel and titanium, and are designed to be durable and long-lasting. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, making them suitable for a range of tasks, from chopping vegetables to carving wood. The unique design of Spyderco knives includes a trademarked thumb hole, allowing for easy one-handed opening and closing. In addition to their practicality, Spyderco knives are also stylish and sleek, making them a great accessory for any outdoor adventure. So whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or simply looking for a reliable and stylish cutting tool, Spyderco knives are the perfect choice.
A full-service folding knife packed with features. Its VG10 stainless steel blade has a stout saber grind and is available in a choice of plain edge, combination edge, or spider edge configurations. The blade is supported by a sturdy backlock mechanism that is housed in a handle constructed with skeletonized stainless steel liners and black fiberglass reinforced nylon scales. The injection molded scales feature bidirectional texturing for a non-slip grip and are home to a 4-position pocket clip that allows tip-up or tip-down carry on both sides of the body. This knife's symmetrical design and fully accessible trademark round hole make one-handed operation completely ambidextrous.
Tested favorite among savvy mariners who appreciate its versatile combination of a blunt-tipped sheepfoot blade, a 50-50 index finger choil, an integral shackle key, and ultra-corrosion-resistant materials. The newest version of this popular model raises the bar even higher with a blade crafted from LC200N, a nitrogen-enriched martensitic steel that is also fearlessly corrosion-resistant, yet offers enhanced edge retention, especially in its plain edge format. Also available in an aggressive spider edge configuration, its blade is full flat ground for low friction cutting performance and is supported by a sturdy backlock mechanism. The lightweight handle is injection molded in the distinctive green color of the LC200N series and is home to a reversible pocket clip that provides ambidextrous
The full-service cutting performance of Spyderco's iconic military model into a more compact, easy-to-carry package. Its full flat ground blade is crafted from CPM S30V stainless steel and is available in either a plain edge or fully serrated spider edge configuration. The blade's fully accessible trademark round hole allows swift one-handed opening with either hand, and a textured index finger choil allows a forward position grip during precise cutting chores. The Paramilitary 2's handle is built on a framework of skeletonized stainless steel liners that also provide the foundation of its compression lock mechanism. Stronger than a conventional liner lock, the compression lock also allows the knife to be safely and easily closed with only one hand. The handle's liners are nested within peel-ply textured G10 scales to create a slim, open-back construction that is lightweight and easy to clean. The handle also includes a 4-position pocket clip that supports ambidextrous tip-up or tip-down carry.
Assault 2 includes a high-traction bidirectional texture pattern, enhanced handle ergonomics, and a versatile 4-position pocket clip. In addition to these features, this knife integrates an H1 blade with a linerless handle and non-reflective black coatings on its clip and hardware, in a shining example of our passion for constant quality improvement. Available in plain edge and spider edge configurations and with either a satin or a titanium carbonitride blade finish, the Pacific Salt II was born to perform in and around the water. The Spyderco Police model is one of the most iconic folding knives ever created. Now, this venerable design takes another quantum leap forward by combining the refined features of the 4th generation Police 4 with the advantages of lightweight, injection molded handle construction. Its full flat ground VG10 stainless steel blade is housed within a molded, fiberglass reinforced nylon handle featuring non-slip, bidirectional texturing. Skeletonized stainless steel liners nested within the handle provide impressive structural strength and anchor the knife's sturdy backlock mechanism and its versatile 4-position pocket. The award-winning Para 3 Lightweight is rapidly redefining the state-of-the-art in ultralight cutting tools. For tactical end users who prefer subdued blade finishes, this revolutionary design is now also available with a stealthy black diamond-like carbon coating. Its plain edge or spider edge blade is full flat ground from CTS BD1N stainless steel and supported by a streamlined version of Spyderco's patented compression lock mechanism. To complement the blade's finish, the screws and reversible deep pocket carry clip on its injection molded fiberglass reinforced nylon handle also sport a non-reflective black coating. Ability and performance, the Tenacious is the go-to choice of countless savvy knife users. This all-new lightweight version raises the bar even further with injection-molded fiberglass reinforced nylon handle scales that reduce the knife's overall weight by almost 10% and offer the enhanced grip traction of Spyderco's signature bidirectional texture pattern. All other features are consistent with the original model, including a full flat ground 8CR13 MOV stainless steel blade, full skeletonized stainless steel liners, a 4-position pocket clip, a sturdy liner lock, and a choice of plain edge, combination edge, or spider edge blade configurations. It also comes with the choice of a satin finish or stealthy black oxide coating.
If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button below. And if you want to see similar videos in the future, smash that subscribe button and make sure to turn the notification bell on. Now that's all I've got, and in all that you do, we want to help you beat yesterday.